Welcome back to Lexus of Rural Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. This is a 2018 RX350 Navigation Package in the Nightfall mica finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Rural Oak comes with an automatic enrollment into a Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include bi-xenon HID headlamps, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, headlamp washers, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with push start ignition, driver seat memory seating, power folding and auto dimming side mirrors, power adjustable front seats, automatic high beams, power rear liftgate, heated steering wheel, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free audio controls, hands-free calling, lane keeping assist with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with pre-collision system, multimedia display with navigation, backup camera and Bluetooth audio, 10-speaker Lexus premium audio system, dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, electronic parking brake, driving mode select, center locking differential, power sunroof, brown interior, heated rear seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofruraloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.